If you have $5,000 for your first car, you're either about to make a really smart move or a very expensive mistake. Because some cheap cars are cheap for a reason, but some, they just run forever. Let me save you some stress. First, what actually matters. Forget speed, forget showing off, forget the brand name. Your first car should be cheap to fix, good on fuel, easy to drive, and reliable. That's it. You're not buying a dream car, you're buying freedom. Number 5, Hyundai Elantra, 2009 to 2012. I'm starting with this one for a reason. Because people underestimate it. It's cheap, it's simple, it's fuel efficient, and insurance is often lower than Honda or Toyota. It won't impress your friends, but it will save you money, and that's the goal. But wait till you see the next one. On number 4, Ford Focus, 2008 to 2011. Important detail, only 2008-2011. Avoid the 2012 plus dual clutch models. Those cause serious headaches for owners. The older Focus, affordable, easy to maintain, fun enough to drive, but still not the best on this list. Let's go higher. On number 3 we have Mazda 3 2007 to 2010. This one surprises people. It drives better than Corolla, feels more premium, still affordable to repair. The only thing you must check, rust. If it's clean and maintained, this is a hidden gem. But now we're entering the top 2, and these two are legends. Number 2, Honda Civic 2004 to 2009. Reliable, fuel efficient, strong resale value, and actually fun to drive. But listen carefully, avoid modified ones. If it looks raced, skip it. Find one owned by an adult, stock, well maintained. If you do that, you're safe. But there's one car that's even safer. And number 1, Toyota Corolla 2003 to 2008. This is the safest choice under $5,000. It's not exciting, it's not fast, but it is reliable. These engines regularly go over 250,000 miles. Parts are cheap. Every mechanic understands it. It's simple, and simple wins. If your goal is zero drama, Corolla is your best bet. Here's a surprise pick, Toyota Camry 2002 to 2006. If you want something bigger, more comfortable, better on highways, Camry is a strong choice. It's basically Corolla's bigger brother. Just check oil consumption in some 4-cylinder models. For families or taller drivers, this might actually be the smartest pick. But before you buy a car, here's what most people skip. Cold start the car. If it shakes badly, walk away. Drive at highway speed. If the transmission hesitates, walk away. Check underneath for leaks. If seller says don't worry about it, worry about it. There are thousands of cars available. Never rush. Your first car is not about impressing people. It's about protecting your money. Drive smart now, upgrade later. If this helped you, subscribe. Because next, I'm breaking down the worst cars under $5,000. And some of them are very popular. You might be shocked.